Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Guys, good morning. Or almost, should I say good afternoon. We're just actually on our way out. Oh, I forgot my sweater. Yeah, we are just on our way out. It is pouring. I hope you guys are having a blessed afternoon. And I hope y'all enjoying your weekend. Out of here, it is raining out. Ugh. What? It was my school stuff I was bringing and putting in the garage. Can you say good morning?
Yeah, throw them in.
No, I'm not gonna throw them in. I keep them. So, yeah. We are heading out now. Oh, it so sucks. The weather's supposed to be warm. Like, the temperature's going up, but it's raining, so it makes it cold. Warm wear. Okay, what? Because this one is in shorts and t-shirt as usual. And look at outside. Look at outside. Yeah. Shopping.
You, not me.
Oh, me, not you. Both of us are finished shopping. We just got the kids, the girls, them bed stuff. So
in 200 meters, turn right at Leslie Street.
Look. So we're all packed up now. Oh Lord, it is hectic in IKEA. So we are back home finally. We reach home. If your head always hurting you. So Mr. Williams unloading all the bed stuff.
My leg's killing me.
Yeah, I say more if it start hurting so you can't eat anything.
I have to.
Take up the one. Yes, and we just bought some more fish because your girl wanted some more fish. I needed my fish for tomorrow's dinner. I want to make some more fish. Mr. Williams, what's stuck up? So yeah, we got the girls in bed, so we are about to get those and make that. Okay guys, let's go see what this one's doing. Wow, and I read the destruction.
Destruction.
And always say him not read destruction, guys.
It's not destruction, it's destruction, mommy.
But him call it destruction, but him actually reading it. Eh? Look upon Mr. Williams, but say he don't read destruction. I'm actually reading it.
I'm not driving, but I do a driving.
Oh gosh. See, them can't do nothing together. Always some argument between the two of them. Trying to make up get the bed ready.
See, I'm a man. I don't know what
Oh Lord. Okay, I'm coming. So that is one bed down. We still have one more to go. We are up with the late night vlog. Happy, what do you say, Good Friday to all of you. We finally got my chef in the building. Right, handsome?
Move yourself.
Look, the chef is finally in the building, guys. It only took him until a holiday for him to actually get into the building and start doing his thing. Don't you love seeing a man in the kitchen? I know I love seeing a man in the kitchen. Well, cooking, not eating all the time. What do you mean, no? I love seeing a man in the kitchen doing their thing, especially when a man knows how to cook. Right, ladies? Give this video a thumbs up if that is true. I hope you guys are having a blessed Friday. Me just seasoning that fish so well. Right, Mr. Williams? Yeah, no, I'm talking to myself. Is your face? So he's seasoning the bad boy. From morning, me asking him to come cook, and I'm finally just coming in the kitchen now. I don't know if there's any more. Who, you? You. Why?
I'm not there. Sit.
But you're cooking. I want you to season it. I'm just gonna be the lady that sits and watch you. We need to get our bar stool. Cause see if me have my bar stool now, me would have just pull up my bar stool right here. Why? I would have just pulled up my bar stool right here. It's just the lonesome us and that one as usual over there.
No count.
Him no count? Okay, so it's just me and hubby then, because the one over there we're just always on the game, he doesn't count.
Leave me nobody yet.
Yeah, I know, he has the headset on, he doesn't hear one thing. Right now can I say, Memphis, the house that burned down, and he would not hear nothing. Cause kids, these teenagers and video games. But when we ready, we play one too. But me and Mario, we like playing the car racing one. That's what we like. I like playing like Mortal Kombat. That's what it's called? Don't laugh. Is it a Mortal Kombat called?
Mortal Kombat.
Me don't know, the karate one, whatever I want call it. Whatever. Me love playing that one because that one you get to kick down boy and kick down some girl. You know?
Get kicked down, no?
What? What you say?
And girl get kicked down, you know?
Yes, your face. So that's the one that I like to play. And I like the karate one, even though Mario always cheat, you know, you always find some way to cheat. No, you always cheat, babe. In any game we play, you play unfair. What you say? Unfair game, play two.
That's why I don't play game.
You don't play? You lie that. If we sit on one game we call that best friends, I don't know if any of you guys played. I don't even know what level is on. Before me and him and Janai was playing this game called Best Friends. All three of us started at the same time. And it was like a competition to see who can get the furthest. This one we stay up day and night playing the game just to get ahead of me and Janai. And when him see and when he see me and Janai getting ahead of him and get Badmind, and then all of a sudden no, you don't want to play the game.
What?
Right? Yeah, because he did get Badmind now. Because me did beat him. And when he see me get all of me take my phone and fling it away. It's not a lie, it's true. It's true, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? It's true. So I take the game and fling it with my phone and fling it away because him sister me getting ahead of him in the game. Just because him is a kind of a sore loser. No, I'm not kinda. You are a sore loser. Yeah, I'm not kinda. He is a sore loser, guys. But that's okay. He's still my sore loser. But me still love play with him. You know, we love. You know how I play with you?
Yes, sore loser.
What you say? You want a show? Eh? You want a show? Oh Lord. No, you love when I play with you, but I feel like babes, are you gonna make some peanut punch?
No.
No, I want some blend up.
No, stop it, don't do it.
What do you mean stop me from blend up? So today we're doing cooking with Mr. Chef Williams in the building. For once I am not in the kitchen and it feels nice. Well, I'm not in the kitchen. Well, I'm not in the kitchen cooking, but you are the one that's in the kitchen cooking. Right? Me just here and get talking. No, what do you mean get talking? I'm here supervising. You know? See, I got the candle going, a romantic scene, a nice coconut colada. And then I need a pina colada. Alright, babes? Oh goodness. So yeah, we just enjoying this nice Friday night. Oh, look at that fish, guys. Oh my goodness. Can you see what is about to get cooked? I can't even say, can you see what the Rock is cooking? Ray, what do you mean tapping knives? Eh? Oh, you stay so sorry. Eh? So let's check out what is going on over here. What you got going on over here? Okay, so I see got the oil up in the pot. Oh, ooh, that looks so good, guys. It look like you could have eat it raw, eh? Hey, babes? Pardon? No, it just looked like ready. Okay, so you're seasoning. Okay.
something to eat.
Wait, you don't want me to give away secrets? I'm not in the kitchen. I'm in the what am I in? You want a glass of wine?
What?
Glass of wine. That's always good with seafood. White wine.
No.
What?
No.
What do you mean? Oh, so you have seafood, you have white wine, and you can have cheese and crackers.
Yeah.
Pardon?
Yeah, but-
All right. Oh Lord, is that burning, babe? The oil.
I don't know why you make it so hot.
Me make it so hot. So what are you gonna do now? Okay, he's feeling up the chicken. Oh Lord. Oh, you're braver than me, cause me would have never put my finger in there like that. Wait. All right. So of course I'm gonna come in the clip. That's it. Be able to do his thing, right? Yeah. I love seafood, guys, especially fish. Like I love me some red snapper, and I like parrotfish too. I love parrotfish. Whenever let me hear them have a fish called barracuda. Yeah. We haven't had that, have we? Barracuda. No, I don't think I've ever had it. But the other fish we hear about is the rainbow fish. That's what. Don't laugh at me. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, tell me.
I know me. I tell you. I'm asking. I'm not telling. Oh, look at that. See, I love seeing you in the kitchen. Stop! Ow! I love seeing you in the kitchen.
Why?
What do you mean why? Because you're a good cook, and yet you always want me in the kitchen to cook. Don't give me that look. You want me to do it with the fork? Stop, babe. If you love ram, why you make your food burn up? You see how you love to play, sir? You. I love playing and I gotta burn up the place. Right? Can you stop? You're interrupting. Hello. None of this in the kitchen. It's not playtime. Playtime is for later, not right current time. Right? What did I just say a while ago? You heard what I said. You don't hear a thing?
I don't know, a little bit.
You ready for your bed? Really?
Yeah, go on.
Did I tell you something? So how is it going, sir? It's so different, you know? Y'all just up in here cooking up in the kitchen. Yeah, it's cold outside. It's cold. You feel like winter? It pretty much still is winter. It still is winter. Look at that fish that is frying. So as you guys can see, 2 of the fish is done there. Ow! 2 of the fish is finished there, and he still got these 2 going up in here. And ooh, that vegetable will look like you could eat it. Where are you gonna put your rice on?
I'm not the one who's cooking it.
What do you mean you're not the one that's cooking? You're cooking! Yes! So that means you gotta finish the rice and the gravy.
I'm going to go to bed. I'm hungry. I don't want to sleep.
Oh. Oh, my buttercup. Hello. Oh, you clean my neck. Stop it. They're gonna make your food burn up. Mr. Williams. No. Hello. You being cheeky on camera. Babes. Oh yeah. What a seat. One of the softest seats. Hello. How much seat is in the house? I was sitting here. Do you realize where my laptop is and what I'm doing? Alright. No, because I was sitting here first. And you came and took my seat. As you see, I am doing stuff online and you are in my seat. So that's what you get. It's not my fault. Right? Can you blame me, guys? He came and took my seat. So it's still there, babes. You know, got into the fish. Eh? Pardon? Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, oh, I hope you guys are enjoying your Easter bun and cheese. Me had a bit of Easter bun, but for me, I don't like the buns with raisins, so of course, me have to pick it out. I wish I could have get some rum cake. Rum cake. You know, eat piece of rum cake, you know? A long time I ain't no rum cake. You know, eat piece? I even sweet potato pudding. All that right now. That are if I'm a sweet potato pudding, cornmeal pudding. Would I eat some of that right now? How Mario? You know, so that yet.
Yeah.
Of course you have. Wait a minute. No, let me alone. No. Be able to her. Look, it's so red. Aye. Look. Oh.
Red Trina?
Of course. Stop it. Is that you talking?
Get up,
What do you mean get up off of you?
Get up.
Are you gonna go check out the food? Okay, fine. Let me get up. Can I get my seat back then? Nope. Nope. 3. So, you know, so I have to put the camera on the chef. Chef in the building. Pardon? Me? Mix it on and make the fish burn up. I know you're cooking.
No, but you still funny.
Hello, that's no excuse. That is no excuse. Me can put one fork through this one? You can put a fork through one of these? Yeah? So we can't taste it? Eh? Eh? Maybe I could taste the fish. Really? From there me giving you trouble? No. I thought you like when I give you trouble. Who you looking at like that? Eh? I thought you like giving when I give you trouble. Hmm? You see over here? Come here, I have something for you over here. Nothing. We have Mario. Mario, stop it! The lights are
Really?
Hello. Where the people and see what you're doing. Stop it. It's not on camera. Oh, if we think it's live? Oh, it could be live. No wonder not live. Why is it not live? Oh gosh. But yeah, guys, we want you guys to send us some questions. We want to do a video. So you can either send some questions in the comments, or you can hit me up on either on Instagram, which
Bye.
what do you mean bye? You better come and finish look about the food. Or you can reach me on my Snapchat. So you can DM me on either one and leave some questions on just even topics what you guys would like us to talk about. If we do come on live, what you guys would like to see us do a topic about. If you want I guess we should do an up-to-date video. It's been a while and I haven't really even sat down and done one with him. I don't think I've sat down and done one with him, but yeah, and we're up to doing some mukbang too. So so if I sit down, if I stand up, you see your face. You feel mouth always so slicky. Oh, are you gonna put on some tunes? You favor me? Isn't that what they generally always say? After being with a person for a while, you tend to start looking like them. You see, I still haven't even hung one picture on the wall. I actually want that one way back there. That's hung on the wall. I still have so much pictures I need to hang up, but I need to get some new picture frame. I need to get some new picture frames, so I haven't even been able to do that as yet. But yeah, guys, send us in some questions, topics, video ideas. We're just not into the whole prank stuff, so no prank, but we are up for like challenge videos. Yeah, we are up for challenge videos.
Just a little bit of word of inspiration.
Are you trying to deaf me? So I'm gonna go finish working on what I'm working on. When Mr. Williams is almost finished, okay, I will be back. Why me stop violating? You know what the violation? I'll be making fish the butter. Oh, it's a short bunny the pot. See what's cooking back? It's cooking. He's making it private. Let me see what's in. Wow. See, I love when Mr. Williams is finished cooking dinner. And what do you mean no? What do you mean no? And I hope you guys enjoy that little cooking with Mr. Chef Williams in the building. So he's about to dish dinner now. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, look at hubby. Dinner is all ready, guys. So we are about to eat. Have anything to say? Say good night, babes.
Good night, babes.
You're so disgusting. That's not what. Saying good night. Say this is where we are about to end the vlog. So we will talk to you in the next one.
Simple things are your blessing. You better notice your blessing.
Passing, tell them say you love them for you see them in a coffin. None days bad days, you know say you with up. Me woulda trade house and car and cheddar. Just forget one.